You need to hear this if you're a lemon lover. Lemons are not just a tangy addition to your meals, they are packed with numerous health benefits that you might not be aware of. Want to know why this zesty fruit is a game changer? Let's dive in. From boosting your immune system to enhancing your skin, lemons do it all. First up, lemons are vitamin C powerhouses. Just one lemon can provide you with a significant portion of your daily vitamin C needs. That means they boost your immune system and keep colds at bay. Feeling sluggish? A glass of lemon water can be a refreshing pick-me-up. Lemons can help with that too. Their natural enzymes support your liver and digestion, giving you more energy and vitality. Plus, they help in detoxifying your body, making you feel rejuvenated. And hey, did you know lemons can make your skin glow? The vitamin C and antioxidants in lemons are great for your skin. The antioxidants in lemons fight free radicals, keeping your skin fresh and youthful. Regular use can help reduce wrinkles and blemishes. Plus, the scent of lemon can lift your mood and reduce stress. The refreshing aroma is known to have calming effects. So, next time you're at the store, grab a lemon or two. Incorporating them into your daily routine can make a big difference. Your body will thank you. Stay zesty, folks. Remember, a little lemon can go a long way in boosting your overall health. Let's continue our journey with lemons. Did you know lemons can help with weight loss? Their high fiber content keeps you feeling full longer. Plus, the citric acid in lemons can boost your metabolism. Lemons can also help balance your body's pH levels. This can improve your overall health and well-being. So keep enjoying those lemons. Stay zesty, folks. We're not done yet. Whether you're eating them or using them around the house, lemons are truly versatile. Lemons can also freshen your breath. The citric acid in lemons can kill bacteria in your mouth. And if you're looking for a natural cleaner, lemons are your answer. Their acidity can cut through grease and grime. Stay zesty, folks.